The 2026 Kawasaki Eliminator 400 is a modern lightweight cruiser from Kawasaki Heavy Industries. It combines classic cruiser styling with a sporty engine derived from Kawasaki's Ninja lineup, making it a unique blend of comfort and performance. Designed for beginners and urban riders, it offers easy handling, low seat height, and strong acceleration for its class. Engine and performance. The Eliminator 400 is powered by a 399 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, adapted from the Ninja 400 but tuned for smoother low-end performance. Key engine specs. Engine, 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin, DOHC. Power, almost equals 48 HP. Torque, almost equals 37 Nm. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox. Assist and slipper clutch. This engine delivers quick acceleration and smooth power delivery, making it perfect for both city riding and highway cruising. Cruiser design and styling. The 2026 Eliminator 400 features a clean, minimalist cruiser design with a modern touch. Design highlights: low, long cruiser stance, slim fuel tank and lightweight body, round LED headlight, minimalist rear section. Its styling is simple yet stylish, appealing to riders who want a modern cruiser without excessive bulk. Chassis and suspension. The bike is built on a lightweight frame designed for agility and comfort. Suspension setup. Front, telescopic fork. Rear, twin shock absorbers. Brakes. Front, 310mm disc with ABS. Rear, 240mm disc. This setup provides stable handling and comfortable riding, especially for daily use. Dimensions and comfort. Seat height, almost equals 735 mm, very low. Weight, almost equals 176 kg. Fuel tank, almost equals 13 liters. Wheelbase, almost equals 1,520 mm. The low seat height and upright ergonomics make it extremely beginner-friendly and easy to control. Technology and features. The 2026 Kawasaki Eliminator 400 includes modern features for convenience. LCD digital display. Smartphone connectivity, radiology app support. LED lighting system. Optional USB charging port. These features add modern usability while keeping the bike simple and practical. White heavy checkmark summary. The 2026 Kawasaki Eliminator 400 offers 399 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine, 48 HP. Lightweight and beginner-friendly design. Low seat height for easy riding. Modern features with classic cruiser look. Excellent balance of performance and comfort. Backhand index pointing right. It's perfect for riders who want a stylish, easy-to-ride cruiser with sporty DNA.